Doctors reveal the unexpected cough remedy.
Well, Marshmallow?
Actually, marshmallow root extract. It contains Althea officinalis, an herb used as a medicine for over 2,000 years. The natural marshmallow root or plant has shown to decrease throat irritation and coughing. The soothing effect comes from the plant's natural coating, called mucilaginous, which is a sticky gelatin substance that might help reduce a cough. Additionally, adding honey to the marshmallow root extract helped prolong the extract's coating on the throat. You can consume the root drinking cups of tea, a glass of water, and drops of tincture or swallowing capsules.